Hello students. So in this video we are going to learn about the digestive system of the cockroach. Okay, so digestive system of the cockroach consists of three things: the mouth parts, the alimentary canal and the salivary glands. Okay, so the alimentary canal of the cockroach is a long tube. Okay, it is almost 6 to 7 centimeters long. It starts with the mouth and it ends with the anus. Okay, so the mouth, it will lead into the alimentary canal. The first part after the mouth is the pharynx. Okay, so the mouth leads to pharynx. The pharynx again leads to the second part, that is esophagus. Okay, the esophagus leads to a pear-shaped sac-like organ. This organ is called as crop. After crop, the food is sent to this part. This is the gizzard. Okay, so the mouth, it leads to pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. These structures together, they form the foregut. We have three divisions: foregut, midgut and hindgut. Okay, so the foregut, the first division, it has pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. Okay, now the foregut is lined by cuticle. This cuticle lining is present in the foregut. Now the crop, the function of the crop is to store the food temporarily. Okay, so the storage of the food will be done in the crop. It is a large pear shape. It is a sac-like organ because it is going to store food, right? So it is a sac-like organ. The function of crop is to store food temporarily. So it will store food temporarily. You have to remember the function of the crop. This is important. Okay, the second part is the gizzard. Now this gizzard, it has, see this diagram over here, this is a cross section of the gizzard. The gizzard has circular muscles. Okay, so there are circular muscles present. It has 6 chitinous teeth. It has 6 chitinous teeth present and it has backwardly directed bristles. Okay, these bristles are going to do nothing but filtration of the food. Okay, so bristles will filter the food. The chitinous teeth will crush the food. So circular muscles are present, 6 chitinous teeth are present and backwardly directed bristles are present. Remember that the bristles are going to filter the food. Okay, so they are going to filter the food. Chitinous teeth is going to cut and crush the food. These 4 things together form the foregut of the cockroach. Okay, these 2 structures, they are the salivary gland. They are part of the salivary gland. Okay, the salivary gland is the next topic, which is one more part of the digestive system. This salivary gland, it consists of salivary duct which opens at the base of the hypopharynx. Hypopharynx is the tongue of the cockroach, right? So at the base of the hypopharynx, there is salivary duct which will secrete saliva. After that, we have pharynx, esophagus, crop, sac-like organ, temporarily stores food, and then we have gizzard. After this, we have the midgut of the cockroach. Okay, so this structure over here, this is the hepatic caeca. Okay, and the next structure after that is the stomach of the cockroach. Okay, these 2 structures together form the midgut. There is no cuticle lining present in the midgut. Okay, it is present in the foregut but it is absent in the midgut. No cuticle lining. It has hepatic caeca and it has stomach. This stomach is also called as ventriculus. Okay, it is also called as ventriculus. What is the function of midgut? Very important. It has the function of digestion and absorption. So food will be digested and absorbed in the midgut. Okay, so it has stomach, it has hepatic caeca. This hepatic caeca are nothing but 6 to 8 blind tubes. Okay, 6 to 8 blind tubules, just like present over here. Okay, blind meaning they are closed. They are closed at one end. Okay, so they are 6 to 8 blind tubules. What this hepatic CK is going to do, it will secrete digestive enzymes. See, the stomach is going to do the function of digestion and absorption, right? So we need enzymes for digestion and absorption. So this hepatic CK present just above the stomach will secrete the digestive enzymes. Okay, after that the stomach will do the function of digestion and absorption. This was about the midgut of the cockroach. After the midgut, you can see some thread-like structures present over here. The junction of midgut and hindgut. Okay, junction of midgut and hindgut contain some thread-like fine yellow-colored structures. These are the Malpighian tubules. Okay, the Malpighian tubules. These Malpighian tubules are the excretory system of the cockroach, a main excretory organ of the cockroach. They are 150 in number. Okay, they are yellow colored. How they help in excretion, you will learn it in the excretory system of the cockroach. For now, just remember that Malpighian tubules are present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. See, here starts the hindgut. Hindgut consists of three things. It consists of the first part over here. It is ileum. Second part is colon. And the third end part is the rectum. So hindgut consists of ileum, colon and rectum. Okay, this ileum is going to do nothing but it will pass the uric acid, nitrogenous waste. See, this Malpighian tubules will collect the nitrogenous waste from the body cavity of the cockroach. Okay, so the body cavity of the cockroach, also called as hemocoel, consists of nitrogenous waste which will be released by the different organs. These nitrogenous waste will be collected by these Malpighian tubules. They will convert it into uric acid and pass it into the ileum. This ileum will send the waste to the rectum, passing by the colon. Okay, this colon intermediate between the ileum and rectum, this colon is going to do the function of reabsorption of water. So if there is need for reabsorption of water, okay, so this colon will do the function of reabsorption of water. This last part, rectum, it has 6 rectal pads. 6 rectal pads are present. Why? Because it is also going to reabsorb water. So for that absorption of water, it has 6 rectal pads. Okay. So after the rectum, the undigested food will be passed out of the body of the cockroach by the anus. Okay, anus is present at the 10th abdominal segment. Okay, 10th abdominal segment. So the anus will pass out the undigested food matter. Okay, so I hope the digestive system of the cockroach is clear to you. Remember, it has 3 parts: foregut, midgut and the hindgut. So this ileum, colon, rectum, these 3 together will form the hindgut of the cockroach. And it has cuticle lining. It was just absent in the midgut. Cuticle was just absent in the midgut. It is present in the foregut as well as hindgut. Okay. Foregut consists of pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. Crop is a sac-like organ, pear-shaped, which will temporarily store food. Gizzard will cut and crush the food. How? It has 6 chitinous teeth. Okay. It has backwardly directed bristles which will help to filter the food, and it has circular muscles. After that, the midgut, it has hepatic CK, which are 6 to 8 blind tubules. What they are going to do? They are going to release some digestive enzymes. After that, food will pass to the stomach. So stomach will digestion and absorption. This function will be done by the stomach. Stomach is also called as ventriculus. After that, there is Malpighian tubules at the junction of midgut and hindgut. These are 150 in number. They are yellow colored hanging structures. Okay. After that, there is ileum, colon and rectum. Colon will do reabsorption of water in case of need. Rectum has 6 rectal pads, and the last part is the anus, which is present in the 10th abdominal segment, it will pass out the undigested waste matter. I hope the digestive system is clear to you. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Mention in the comment box any suggestions which you have for the further classes. Thank you for watching.